Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to utilize field upgrades to your advantage in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, tactical insertion. Use it strategically to respond closer to the action or your team. Munition box. Drop it in a safe spot to resupply your team with ammo and equipment. Trophy system. Deploy it near vehicles or during a firefight to deflect enemy projectiles. Deployable cover. Place it strategically for temporary cover during intense gunfight or while reviving teammates. Stopping power rounds. Save them for crucial moments to increase your weapon damage. Dead silence. Active it before engaging in close quarters combat or sneaking up on enemies. EMP drone. Use it to disrupt enemy electronics, including vehicles and equipment. Tactical rover. Deploy it to scout ahead or escape quickly from dangerous situations. Thermal silencer. Equip it to stay off enemy thermal scopes, especially in open areas. Gas grenades. Utilize it to flush out enemies from cover or deny access to certain areas. Recon drone. Send it to scout enemy positions and plan your next move accordingly. EMP blast. Use it to disable enemy vehicle or equipment before pushing in for an attack. Trophy drone. Deploy it to protect your team from incoming enemy projectiles, especially during looting or reviving. Flash drone. Blind enemies before engaging or escaping from a dangerous situations. Shield turret. Place it in a strategic location to provide suppressing fire or cover a vulnerable flank. Stun grenade. Throw it before rushing into a room or engaging enemies to gain the upper hand. Hacking drone. Use it to disable enemy equipment or vehicles, giving your team a tactical advantage. EMP grenade. Disable enemy vehicle or equipment from a distance before engaging. And that's how to utilize field upgrades to your advantage in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.